What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Welcome back to another episode. You guys see the title of the video. You guys saw the thumbnail. It's another La Flame review. Before we get started, guys, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, Twitter, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. You know it's We Don't Cook Food, aka the kitchen, the place where you go to get the heat. And you know what they say, guys. If you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. You heard me. But, guys, enough of that. You guys see what's going on, man. Travis Scott. What can I say? La Flame, the man did it again, guys. Secured a collab deal with Sony, aka PlayStation, some type of creative director role in some aspect. I don't know. I'm going to throw up this picture right here that kind of talks about it a little more. But as you guys can see, guys, PS5 is out, PlayStation 5. Let me know in the comments, by the way, if you were able to cop one. If you're copying one for yourself, if you're reselling them. I've been seeing some people reselling the PS5s with the disc included, for like $1,000, $800, $900. Like, the resale's pretty crazy on it. Me personally, if I was able to cop one, I'd probably just keep it for the personal. I'm not really trying to resell them, but money is money, so I completely get it. So let me know in the comments if you were able to cop. Now, as you guys can see from this video, as always, with Travis Scott, aka La Flame, aka the merch king. Anytime there's anything related to him, there's got to be a merch drop. He's got to make multiple millions on it. It is what it is. This drop right here is the collaboration between him and PlayStation. As you guys saw at the beginning of the video, they're giving away another pair of shoes. Me personally, I don't believe that these raffles are real on his website. I don't know a single person, whether online or in real life, that's actually won a raffle from his website. I know people that have won, copying it regularly, but never the actual raffle itself. I used to actually cop from shop.travisscott.com. That's how I was able to cop my size 13 and 14 Travis Scott 1 lows, the dunks, as well as the Travis Scott 6s back when you actually had a chance. Now they, do some bogus raffle. It's anybody's guess who actually wins. I think it's fake. If anything, it'll go to people who actually spend a lot of money on him. So it is what it is, guys. But it's not the first time we've seen a PlayStation collaboration with the shoe, as you guys can see here. These have been coming out since like 06, 08, 09, something like that. The older they are, the more expensive they are, as you guys can see with this Air Force One. And most recently, 2018, maybe even last year, I know Kyrie or some player edition hooping shoes had a collaboration with Sony or PlayStation. So I don't know, guys. I wanted to go ahead and cover this merch drop in case you guys missed it, in case you guys ordered it. And then, as always with Travis Scott stuff, it takes a while to get here. So in case you want to go back in history and see what it all looked like, me personally, I don't know. I'm debating on what to cop from this, if anything. It would be neat to maybe get like a shirt, maybe a hoodie. Nothing about this drop really blows me away. It's pretty low effort. The quality, it's anyone's guess. Retail is always kind of high. If you're watching this video questioning resale, personally, I do think some pieces will resell. It's just the nature of the beast. Anything Travis Scott related usually has a resale. The more watered down the releases are, maybe the less. But really what ends up happening is as people get the pieces and start wearing them, then people start regretting that they didn't cop them. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Are you copping any of these pieces for resale, for yourself? Are you a PlayStation fan? Is it Team Xbox? Me personally, I'm Team PlayStation. As you guys can see here, Travis went ahead and actually put them on himself. As you guys can see, this was ripped from his actual Instagram story. So I don't know what to say, guys. La Flame is living life. It's like crazy motivational. I would have never expected him to blow up as big as he did, but he's not going away anytime soon. Now, I wanted to go ahead and throw some pictures of what the fakes look like. These released just a couple days ago. Before this, we all saw that advert with the original pair on his feet in them. Then these these factories in China decided to make these replicas like this, as you can see. So, compared to the final product, they didn't get it wrong too poorly. I'm glad they did. I'm glad Sony changed it a bit. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to throw together this video, get your opinion, see who's copping what. I might cop a shirt and a, hoodie, like I said. The shipping on these shouldn't be too bad. I mean, it says it's taking 3 to 4 weeks on most pieces, which is pretty high. Which is pretty quick compared to most Travis Scott releases. I think I'm still waiting on pieces from the Cactus Pack, Cactus Trails drop. It is what it is with La Flame. But as always, guys, thank you guys for cooking with us. Let me know what you guys have picked up recently. More videos on the way. Some special things on the way. But yeah, guys, this is Travis Scott, PlayStation collab. Shout out to Sony. Shout out to La Flame. Pass the sponsorship this way, you know what I'm saying? But let me know what you guys think, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your time, your patience, and stay safe as always, guys. Keep cooking, and peace.